Hi beautiful lovelies, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to another cook with Steffi. If this is your first time here, I'm Stephanie and you're welcome to this space. To my returning subscribers, hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made this yummy looking tasty seafood fried rice. Yeah, so if this is a video you want to see, let's not waste much of our time. Let's get right into this video. Welcome back. So we're going to be running through the ingredients we are using for this rice. I have bell peppers here. I have the red, green and yellow bell pepper finely cut, and then I have spring onion. I have mixture of coconut oil and vegetable oil. I have seasoning cube. I'm using the Maggi Niger pot. I have my curry powder. I have butter. I have scotch bonnet pepper, the green one, roughly blended. I have chopped onion. I have calamari, and then I have finely cut carrot as well. I have fish fillets. This is seafood, so there's fish fillet, and then I have green beans. I have snail here as well. I have marinated prawns and shrimps here too, and then I have my coconut milk here. Then I have rice. I'm using the basmati rice. I washed this with hot water already. So yeah, that's it for our ingredients. Let's go into cooking now. So yeah, in another pot, I'll just go over to add my vegetable oil and coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use sesame oil, you can use vegetable oil or coconut oil. I just wanted the flavor from both. Reason why I'm using both of them. So I'll go over to saute my onion. I'll just add my onion and then I'll saute it for about a minute or so. This is just to let the onions fry properly. Like when I see that it's translucent, yeah, that is okay for me. And then I will add my grounded habanero pepper. This is optional. You can use any color of your choice, but I'm using this pepper because I like my fried rice to be hot, like not really hot, but to be a bit hot. So I'll go over to adding curry, and then I'll also add thyme. I don't like too much curry or colors or yellow green for my fried rice. I just want it moderate, not too yellow, not too green. If you have what's it called, if you're adding fried rice spices here, you can go ahead to add yours. I don't add any fried rice spice to my fried rice. I just like the color just to be there, not too yellow, not too green. That's my own preference. So however you like your fried rice, if you like it green, you can add more curry. And then I'll go over to add my rice. So when I add the rice, I'm going to stir fry this rice for some time. I forgot to tell you guys I added seasoning cube to that mixture as well. So I'll just saute this rice until I stop wearing that sizzle water, like that sizzle from water. Yeah, I'll just stir fry it, stir it very well, mix everything together. This is the perfect color I like, and I don't like adding too much curry as well, so that the curry won't overshadow the taste of my fried rice. That's another reason why I don't like adding much curry. So yeah, I'll go over to add my butter, just little butter. This doesn't really do much, but I just feel it helps to it helps for the flavor as well, and then helps me to fry more, like stir fry more of the rice. I don't know if that makes sense. So yeah, I'll just stir fry this, keep stirring it for some time. Once the water is dried, I'll go over to add my coconut milk. I'm using the canned coconut milk here. You can make your own coconut milk if you can. Then I'll go over to add my turkey stock. Yes, I'm using turkey as well, like for side protein. I'm using turkey. So this is the stock from the turkey. I'll stir this together. I'll add more water because I need more water in the rice. Basmati rice doesn't really need more water. It cooks more with steam than water. So just be careful if you're using basmati rice while cooking yours. So I'll just stir this. Don't worry about that butter. It will melt before you know it. So I'll just cover this now and let that cook. So while that is cooking, let's get into our vegetable. So I'll add my coconut oil and coconut vegetable oil again. I'll add some onion. I'm going to saute these two for some time. I will go over to add my fish. I just added that onion just for flavor, just to flavor the fish, nothing else. And then I will add seasoning cube to season the fish as well. I'll just add my seasoning cube, and then I'm going to fry this fish, stir fry this fish for some time. I also added oregano because I love the flavor from it as well. So I'll just stir fry this fish very carefully because this fish tend to scatter, like start scattering. Any little thing need to start scattering. So I was just trying to be careful with at least to get a big chunk from it. No scattered, no having scattered fish. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. After some time, I'm going to be taking this out. I'll just take it out and then I'll go over to frying my snails. Sorry, I've already cooked and seasoned this snail before now. It's been cooked and seasoned. So I'm just going to fry the snail as well. This is just to like allow everything to release their flavor and as well fry them to make them a bit strong. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Just to fry them to make them a bit strong. So after I finish frying the snail, I will go over to stir fry my prawns and shrimps as well. So I'm going to stir fry these just for about 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Does that make sense? Yeah, just keep stir frying it. Once the prawns is properly fried or cooked, you will see how you will see that it's properly fried and cooked. So if you've watched up until this moment and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please, now what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Okay, please, let's just help this channel to grow. Okay, so after that I went over to the calamari. So for the calamari, I'm just going to stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes. This is just to, once your calamari is strong, like it's because it's a bit stronger, that means it's ready. So that didn't even take long. I had to like take it out because it's perfectly cooked. So I'll take that out and then I'll go over to the main vegetable. So I'm going to be adding my remaining butter, coconut oil, and then vegetable oil. I think at this time I don't even have coconut oil again. That is just vegetable oil and butter. So I'll add a little onion because I just love the flavor the onions releases into my fried rice. That's why I just keep using it. But please, if this rice is something you want to keep, please avoid using plenty onion because onion tend to spoil your fried rice quick. Okay, so I'll just add my carrots. I'm going to stir fry these two as well, but just for a little while because I love my vegetables crunchy. So I'll add my green beans. After adding the green beans, I'm going to stir everything together. I added these two first because they are always strong, so I'll just stir fry for some time, not really that much because I want it crunchy. After which then I will go over to add my bell peppers. Are you seeing how colorful this is? Like, this is very, very colorful. And are you seeing how tiny and fine I chopped those vegetables? It took time, but it's better than making it chunky. Anyway, it's your preference, but is my preference. But I like when my vegetables are tiny. At least it won't be obstructing and everywhere in the rice. So yeah, I went over to add my sweet corn. This is canned sweet corn, and then I seasoned this with my Maggi Ninja pod as well. And also added little curry, just very little as well, just for flavor. I added oregano as well because I love the flavor it gives to the fried rice. It's optional. If you don't want to, you can skip that, but I just love the flavor, especially my seafood fried rice. I just love the flavor it gives to the fried rice. So I added the oregano, mixed everything together, and then now I'm going to be taking out little from that, so I'll be able to mix my rice with it. As in, I'll just take it off, and then little by little I will mix my rice in that same pan. So yeah, I'll be adding the rice now. Did you see the color of my rice? Not too green, not too yellow. For me, this is just so perfect for me. Just the very perfect color for me. So by the time I mix it with my vegetable, you see how beautiful that is, rather than yellow rice or green rice. That's my preference again. So you can do yours the way you like it, okay? So yeah, I'll just mix everything together. Are you seeing how beautiful this is? Very beautiful. So I'm mixing this in this pan because I'll add rice, add little vegetable, add rice, add little vegetable, because the pan is big enough. My wok is big enough to take the rice I'm making, okay? So I'll just keep mixing these two together. I'll mix, keep mixing it like that until everything is put together and steam very well, fry very well. As I'm mixing it, it's my fire is still on, so it's still frying, it's still steaming, okay? So now I'll go over to add my snails, my already stir-fried snails, the calamari, and also I'll add my snails, snails, and also I'll add my prawns and shrimps. Also, I'm going to stir everything together. Just keep stirring it, just to mix up everything together. Please don't stir too much. Just when I said just keep stirring it, please avoid stirring or maybe turning your fried rice so much so it soon get bad on time. So I'll just mix everything together, and then I'll go over to add my spring onion. Please, for the spring onion, if this rice is something you want to keep for long, please allow it to get cold very well before you store in your fridge or something, or don't add it if it's something you want to keep for a very long time. This rice is something we're going to eat because I have a full house, so definitely it's going to go down in no time. So I'll just add the spring onion because I love the flavor it gives to my fried rice. I'll go over to add my fish. Then I'll stir everything together, and yeah, this is what our seafood fried rice looks like. Can you see that? Do you see how colorful, beautiful everything is looking? Yeah, so thank you so much for cooking with Stephanie today. If you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give me a massive thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Leave a comment in the comment section, okay? See how beautiful this rice is. I actually made this rice for Father's Day. Yeah, so this is our rice. I served it. That's our turkey, some coleslaw, and then this sweet buttered corn I did. You see that corn right there? It's so nice. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.